UberTile, technology for tiling. The UberTile waterproof niche is simple to install and integrate to UberTile wall panels. These waterproof niches are available in a variety of sizes. This video will demonstrate how to properly install an UberTile waterproof shower niche. These are the required tools and materials for niche installation. The niches are designed to fit between 2x4 wooden framing, spaced 16 inches on centre. First, mark where the niche will be installed on the already installed 1/2 inch thick Uberboard wall panels. An easy way to do this is by flipping the niche upside down, then placing it onto the Uberboard wall surface, tracing out the perimeter of the niche. The markings must line up to the centre of the 16 inch on-centre stud work. If necessary, remove the existing screws and washers which are in the cutting path. Carefully cut the Uberboard wall panel and remove the cutout. Now, apply UberSeal to the exposed foam edge, applying to the entire cutout perimeter. Use a minimum of 3 UberTile screws and washers per side to fasten the niche to the wall as shown. Apply additional UberSeal around the entire niche perimeter, ensuring the screw and washer heads are fully covered. Spread the UberSeal flat with a spreader so there is a minimum 1 inch overlap onto each surface for a 2 inch total width of UberSeal. Depending on the model of the UberTile niche, it may come with a height adjustable shelf. If you wish to install the shelf, apply UberSeal to the back and sides where the shelf will be installed. Insert the shelf into the wet UberSeal, then spread the UberSeal flat. Ensure the shelf is sloped outwards 2% so water sheds out of the niche. Wait 24 hours before tiling. UberTile offers multiple accessories such as waterproof niches, shower seats and more. For more information on the available accessories, visit www.ubertile.com. Waterproof, efficient and customizable, the UberTile shower system is a reliable solution for building a waterproof shower.